Hey, what is up, you guys? This is Rob, and today we are going to be doing a product review. So this is my 2021 Toyota Supra A91 edition. If you have this car or you have any other sports car, you know it's going to scrape a lot. Going into driveways, going out of driveways, going into parking lots, any spot where the road starts going up, you know this thing's going to be scraping all around, especially if you want to lower it eventually like I do. So I decided, okay, maybe I could find something to help protect it. If you didn't know, only 500 Supras were made in this color, so I do want to try to protect the painted bitch as much as I can, even underneath. So that was when I found the SLIPLO Universal Skid Plate Kit. So this is essentially polyurethane coverings that you put underneath the car to protect it. So let's go over what's inside the packaging right now. So it does come with these three automotive adhesion packets. Essentially, you apply this where you want to stick on the parts. It helps them stick better. I actually didn't need to. It was so smooth and slick underneath the car, probably also with it being pretty new. Everything stuck just fine, and the bread of butter, bam. Polyurethane comes with 8 of these pieces. You can trim them as you need. The back does have double-sided tape, so then you just stick them under, and then it will protect them from scrapes. Now, I just want to mention, I see these quite a bit in the exotic car community. Lamborghinis, Ferraris, anything else like that. So the fact that they are using them and they trust them, and honestly, just the fact that the company's been around as long as they are, to me that means that it is probably a solid product. So let's go ahead and skip to the installation. Now, I did not record myself installing them. I already have them on the car. I didn't record myself because it's literally as easy as you cut where you need to, you stick them on. That's it. So let's go ahead and skip ahead to the install. Alright, you guys, the install is done. So let's go ahead and check it out from the side. I did want something that you wouldn't really be able to see, and sure enough, you can hardly even see it, which I do love. So let's go ahead and look underneath now so you can see exactly how I decided to apply it. Please remember, this is pretty much however you want to do it. I chose not to actually put any on the lip, as you can see. I figure I'll just get a replacement lip if need be. I was more concerned with protecting the painted parts, and that is done very well, as you can see. Simply peel and stick, cut and trim where needed. I was able to cut it with some basic scissors, so you don't have to worry about having some super strong scissors or anything like that. I did not have to use the automotive adhesion that it comes with, just because the surface is so slick already underneath for me. But you may need to. I do trust these will protect my car in the same way that exotic owners trust that their cars will be protected by this product. I've always heard great things about them, so I was happy to get to, have an excuse to try them out. I do wish I had this on my previous sports cars, because that would have saved a lot of time and frustration. So closing remarks, you guys. The SLIPLO Automotive Skid Plate, I do recommend it. Remember, universal kit, we'll have to cut the fit if necessary. If you want to protect your car, this is the kit to get. Have a good one.